Hello, my fellow traders and investors all around the world. I'm Sniper Trader talking to you from beautiful California. In this video, I decided to answer the question about Nasdaq index. Many of you asked me about the stock market in the past 4 weeks. The most common question were, is this a correction or early phase of a market crash? How long could it last? Have we entered bear market? To answer this question, first we should define the meaning of correction, market crash, and bear market from the technical point of view. My ultimate goal is to help traders and investors to make better decisions in the stock market. This presentation will help you to find out the definition of correction, market crash, bear market, and how many corrections we had since 2008 in Nasdaq. Corrections in the market are like that spider under your bed. You know it's there, lurking, but don't know when it will make its next appearance. While you might lose sleep over that spider, you shouldn't lose sleep over the possibility of a correction. First, let's see what Nasdaq shows us. The Nasdaq 100 is an index that is constituted by the 100 of the largest companies listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, which is the second largest in the world only after the New York Stock Exchange by market capitalization. The companies that are listed in this index range from a variety of industries like technology, telecommunications, biotechnology, media, and services. This index has been of good reference to investors that want to know how the stock market is performing without financial services companies. In this chart, we see a comparison between the last 12 years and the last 11 months of Nasdaq. As you see in the upper chart, this is a monthly view of Nasdaq, which shows 1,178% gain in last 12 years. And in the lower chart, we see the last 11 months, which shows 105% gain in less than a year. Now we know what Nasdaq shows us. Let's define correction, market crash, and bear market. What is a correction? In investing, a correction is a decline of 10% or more in the price of a security from its most recent peak. Corrections can happen in stocks, bonds, or indexes measuring a group of assets. What's a stock market crash? A stock market crash is a rapid and unanticipated drop in stock prices. A crash can be a side effect of a major catastrophic event or economic crisis. What is a bear market? Bear markets occur when prices in the market decline by more than 20%, often accompanied by negative investor sentiment and declining economic prospects. Bear markets can be cyclical or long-term, last for several weeks or a couple of months, or last for several years or even decades. Real-world example of correction. Market corrections occur relatively often. Between 2008 and 2021, Nasdaq experienced 15 corrections. During this time, the Nasdaq fell on average of 16.3%. Two of these corrections resulted in bear markets, which are generally indicator of economic downturns. Now let's go to the Nasdaq chart and see what it would tell us. You see in the Nasdaq chart, between 2008 and 2021, there are 15 corrections. To have a better analysis, we can divide the chart into two distinct time frames. First time frame from February 2009 to the end of January 2018 with 8 corrections, and the second time frame from February 2018 to the March 2021 with 7 corrections. Obviously, we see less frequent corrections in the first time frame. On average, we see a correction every 53 weeks in comparison with the second time frame, where corrections happen every 18 weeks. On the other hand, we do not see any correction more than 19% in the first time frame, while we see two corrections with more than 23 and 30% in the second time frame. In conclusion, we see correction more frequently in the past 3 years, and they become deeper in comparison to the first 9 years of the most recent Nasdaq bullish rally from 2009 to 2018. I believe this could be the early sign of exhaustion in the bullish trend after a 1,178% gain in the past 12 years. Moreover, in the most recent correction, we experienced a 14% correction in the past 4 weeks. So it is too early to say we are entering the crash phase or bear market, but it is highly likely that this correction becomes an extended one and pushes us to a bear market. Now you should be able to answer the question, what is the most probable scenario for Nasdaq in the coming weeks? In the next video, I would elaborate how we can make money during corrections in bear market. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching this video. You can follow me and support my work using below links. Please subscribe to my Telegram channel, Sniper Trader Stocks. You can also provide support to my work through PayPal, Venmo, and Patreon, Sniper Trader Stocks, and using my Gmail, moshkilgoshan1986 @gmail.com to provide your support through PayPal and Venmo. Thank you so much.